Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I wanted to have a quick conversation about minimalism and things that we do. I just read a really thought-provoking blog post from Joshua Becker, and I have my phone here. It's called The Life Enriching Opportunity of a Stop Doing List. So as I was reading this, I was thinking about my life and everything that I do and what I could possibly stop doing or take off my list to simplify my life and give myself some more free time or time doing things that I really enjoy. This was a really good blog post, so I will link it down below so you can read through it. I realized that the one thing that really bothers me a lot of the time is throw pillows. What did you think about throw pillows?
Throwaway pillows that you stack on your bed when you're not in there, and then when you do go to bed then you have to pull them off, but at least they're chilling out on your bed all day while you're working. I don't get it.
I decided this without his input, but there you go. He could care less about throw pillows. So I took all the throw pillows from our bedroom, from the homeschool room, from our couch where we had, I think, 4. And for now, this is an experiment. I've stuck them up at the top of this cabinet. Previously, we had nothing up here. So look at, as you can see, it's all pillows now. This is day 1 of the missing throw pillow experiment, and so far I love it. If you hear noise, it's my husband working on the wall. You can watch our vlog channel to find out about that. But anyways, I took the pillows away yesterday afternoon. This is the first full day, and when I woke up this morning, I was actually relieved that I didn't have to deal with putting the throw pillows back on. Last night when we got ready for bed, I was again so relieved that I didn't have to find a place to put them so they didn't get dirty on the floor. And this morning when the kids got on the couch, they just did what they always do, and seriously, normally those throw pillows are on the floor immediately, and I walked in and nothing on the floor. It was just a relief. This was my normal routine of putting the pillows on the bed every morning. I would stick them in a laundry basket next to our bed and then put them on, and they really don't make that big of a difference. And here's our living room with the pillows, and now that I see this, it actually looks better without them. I'm not trying to say get rid of all your throw pillows. If you love them, if they don't bother you, that is great. What I am trying to say is, for me, finding this one little thing that I could get rid of has made such a huge difference in just one day. And me putting these throw pillows away is not just trying to declutter one more thing in my life. I was really trying to find something that I spent time on that was unnecessary, and I was really surprised when the throw pillows immediately popped into my head. And my mom was actually here, and she said, that's a great idea, because really, they don't bring enough to your home, and no one uses them to be dealing with those constantly. So we stuck them away. We'll see how this experiment goes. I'm hoping that I don't miss them and then I can just donate them. I know getting rid of throw pillows seems like a very small thing, but through minimalism, I've realized that all those really small things that I changed have added up to being a large portion of my day. Anyways, leave me a comment below and let me know what you're gonna put on your stop doing list. And please check out that blog post. It was so thought-provoking and really made me rethink everything that I'm doing. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Who would have thought throw pillows would take up so much of my time?